We're going to start with just the bass line, just the open string, which is the note E on the 6th string, and the 7th fret, which is the note B on the 6th string. And we'll do this rhythm with your thumb on the 6th string, resting down onto the next string, like that. E, E, B, B, E, E, B, B, O, O, 7, 7. Let's do it with the song. 1, 2, 3. Mō tātou te tai ao, ko te ata whai. Mō tātou te tai ao, ko te oranga. It is given to us to care for the world, for it gives us our wellness in return. You could also play the B on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. Let's do a little bit of that. Mō tātou te tai ao, ko te ata whai. Mō tātou te tai ao, ko te oranga.